Yes. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Ma'am, we have vacation at Saturday.
From Saturday. From 1st May till 6th June, you have your vacations, summer break, and your school will reopen online from 7th of June. Okay, so children, page number, that day we have done that till page number 29. Open page number 28. I want to revise from the page number 28 again. I'm going to present. Open page number 28. We have already done till here, right? Petrol one. Yes or no? When I ask question, please respond me in the class. Yes. As the bus, please mute your mics, everyone. So they were watching, the children were watching that 3,500 is the amount for 100 liters. So how much is the 1 liter? Children, answer me, please.
35 rupees.
Yes, 35 rupees. When you divide any number by the number which is having 110,000, you count the number of zeros of 110 and 1000. If it is 10, then 1 0. If it is 100, then 2 0. Count the number of 0. If 2 zeros, so from your dividend, remove that much digits from the back as the remainder, and the remaining will be your question. For example, in 3500, two zeros will go in the remainder and 35 will go in the question, and question is always your answer. Got it? Then there is a given question. It is given how much time did Aman had taken, and we have discussed that also, that Aman has taken that much time, the time which is taken by one bus to refill. So how much time is taken by Aman to freshen up?
15 minutes.
15
15
minutes.
minutes.
Yes, please write it in your textbook. Then we go to the next place. Now they have reached to Bhimbetka. I have shown you these pictures. You all have seen that? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, these are the caves and the cave paintings which they do on walls, which I have already discussed. Next page.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, my net issue was there, so what are you doing?
I just started. I was doing the recap of 2 pages. Then I will start now.
Okay, ma'am.
Everybody bursts into laughter. Ha ha ha! How the children are really excited to see the cave painting. It is now the children. It is now about 11 o'clock when they reach Bhimbetka. So after reaching the Bhimbetka, they are asking that how much old these paintings are. One says it's 1,000 years ago. One says it's 10,000 years ago, and they're guessing how much old the paintings are. Okay, and then they're saying why the 1,000, 10,000 is given here, so that you can learn how to read the numbers, how to tell the number names. Yes, which you have already done in chapter 1. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now come to the page number 29, where it is given these are the basins animals give this image. Okay, so I will count these. They are saying, the Bonavara is saying, I will count people. Let us see which are the most basins, deer or people. So here this boy is saying, I got 37 basins. Then, and the another girl is saying, I got 117 deer. Okay, how many more deer are there than basins? How many more? How you will find out?
Minus.
117 minus
Minus
37.
37. Very good. 117 means 117 are the deer, 37 are the basins. So when you find out how much more, then you will subtract it. It is not only more, it is how much more word is there. So when you subtract 37 from 117, you will get the number of,
80.
yes, find out.
Ma'am, the answer is 80.
Okay. Answer is
Ma'am, 1 minus
117 minus 37. Got it? You will get the 80 more deers.
Yes.
Now go to the next. Down. They are discussing something. But Bonavla is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and basins together. Number of basins together is how much? How you will find out together?
Ma'am,
But-
deer and basins both.
Yes, yes.
117 plus 37.
Yes, 117 plus 37 because the word together is used here. So when you add them, what answer you will get? Just tell me.
151.
151. Now what is saying? Mute yourself, please. Now, again, the next, after together, after adding, her count is less than 200. But Bunawala is the happiest because the number of people is even more than the number of deer and basins together. Her count is less than 200. What does this line means? Who will tell me? Tell your
Ma'am,
name
can
and
I
then
tell
explain.
Yug?
Why only Yug is answering me? What other students are doing? In this class, there are 24 students in all. What about the others?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, I want the answer from other students. Please tell me fast. I'll call the child name. Kashvi is there? Kavisha?
Ma'am means 200, less than 200.
Less than 200 who?
Binomola has counted
who?
less than 200 people.
Yes, less than 200 people, but it is more than the deer and basins. So out of these numbers, Varina Varija, Dheer Patel, he, Janya, please try. Out of these numbers given, can you guess how many people were there? How many people were there?
77.
177. Who gave me the answer?
Isha.
Yes. 177 were the people because it is more than the deer and basins together, but less than 200. Got it, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, 117 plus 37. Someone told 151, but the answer is, just check, 154. And peoples are more than these both the together animals, so it is, and but it should be less than 200, so it is 177. The guide tells them that there are 600 cave paintings in all. You know who is guide?
Yes,
Guide.
ma'am, I know Yug.
Ma'am, I can say. Ma'am, I know. Yes, ma'am, I also know. Ma'am, I can.
Meer Virani will tell me. Meer Virani, who is guide?
Ma'am, a guide means he tells us what it is and how many he do.
Yes, guide is a person.
He do study on it and
Yes.
and know all things.
Guide is a person who guides us about the place.
Yes. Ma'am,
When you Mhm.
ma'am, and give us information.
Yes, about the place. Yes, yes.
And ma'am, guide is also protecting our societies also. Some of the
Okay.
societies have guide. When I
Okay.
was going out.
That guide is different. Here, the guide is the person who is guiding about the historical places or the places which is new for you. Okay. And 600 cave paintings. Guide told them there are 600 cave paintings in all. And the guide, when you go to Ajanta Ellora caves, when you go to Elephanta caves, you will see such paintings and the persons are standing there. And in every historical places and whichever the place is new for you, the guides are available there and they guide you about they give you complete information about the place. Yes?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
it is a time to leave Bhimbetka. Now they have decided to leave the Bhimbetka. They have spent 1 hour there. What is the time is it?
Ma'am,
They have
12
spent-
o'clock.
12 o'clock, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
they
12
are
o'clock.
now moving towards Bhopal. They should reach there in less than 1 hour. Dash what time less than 1 hour?
12:45 minutes.
12:45. Yes. Now we will do this lunch time. Can you all open this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Lunchtime, children, you know, I have also shared, and in my last class, I've also discussed when you also go for the trips, you take the breaks in hotels, right? And in hotels, when you go to order something, you first get the menu chart. And in menu chart, if you know how to find out the total price, how to calculate what you have ordered and what is the price, on that basis, I have sent you the worksheet. I hope you all have done. I was checking
Yes,
yesterday
ma'am,
that
done.
very few students have completed. So I request everyone to complete that worksheet also.
Excuse
Am I
me,
clear?
ma'am.
Yes, Varenya.
Excuse me, ma'am. I send you.
I have written you also. I checked also, Varenya Varijan. I returned.
Ma'am, it was very fun.
Yes.
I was there.
Yeah, Varenya Varija both have sent me.
Excuse me, ma'am. Which page number?
Kasodariya.
It is Meet. I will check. Okay. Those who have sent me yesterday, till yesterday, I checked and sent them. If you have sent after that, so I need to check and I will send you. Okay. Now you to be on the page number 30. This is on page number 30, lunchtime. The children are hungry by this time, so they take out their lunch packs, biscuits, oranges, and bananas. When you also go for the trip with your school, teachers also give you some things to eat. And when they also bring counted things, and they also give you with the counting that how many students are there and each child how much we have to give. So here also the teachers are doing the same thing. Each child is to be given one orange, one banana, and 5 biscuits. Am I audible clearly to you? One child only will turn on mic and tell me yes or no.
Yes, ma'am, you are
Yes,
audible.
ma'am.
Okay. In case if I am not audible to you, please let me know. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Each child is to be given one orange. And how many total students were there? We have counted in the beginning.
Ma'am, there were 110.
210.
No, 210.
210.
210.
And each child will get the one orange. So how many total oranges?
210.
210.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Any number multiplied by 1 give you the same answer. And each child will get the one banana. So how many total bananas?
210.
210.
Okay. And each child will get 5 biscuits. Multiply it by the 5. Tell me. Please solve it in your textbook.
215.
215.
210 were the students. 5 biscuit packets will be distributed to each child. Multiply it and give me the answer.
1050.
Yes.
1050.
1050. But now they are saying, please mute yourself. All the children take oranges. Now they are saying there is a condition. All the children take oranges. Means 210 oranges distributed to all the students. And biscuits also taken by all the students. But some children don't like banana, so they have not taken banana. And how many students not taken banana? 38 children not taken
38.
banana. So total were 210. And when you how 210 were the total, 38 have not taken. So how many have taken? Find out.
Ma'am, 172.
I want other students also, please do this and tell me the answer.
172
Yes.
bananas.
172.
Yes. Now check the calculation here. Total number of students and total number of oranges distributed 210, number of bananas 210, but 38 have not taken, so it is 172 only have taken, and number of biscuits distributed was 1050. So when yes, now come down on some puzzles. When you also go for trips, for time pass, for enjoy your time, so that the trip जो timings है, that will soon pass away. So what you children also do? Can you give me some ideas?
Ma'am, we play
Hmm?
in the car, then we talk,
Hmm?
and
Ma'am, we played
Ma'am, we play.
So
Ma'am,
these,
we
plan
talk sometimes.
ma'am
okay.
and do planning.
And sometimes we sleep also.
Ma'am,
Go to laundry. We play.
ma'am, we
Like
can
one
sleep
by
in
one.
the car. Ma'am, we
Okay.
can sleep in the car or we can play puzzles.
Okay. Now here also mute your mic. Very good students that you are sharing your views with me. Now here now we see what they are doing. Manjeet and Bhanu quickly finished their lunch and started asking puzzle to pass the time. Manjeet, tell me the number which is exactly between 100 and 150. Children, when we find out the number between one, some numbers, for example, if I tell you to find out a number between 8 and 10.
Ma'am,
So
125.
very good. So how you can you tell
125.
me how you have find out any trick?
Half of tea and then we take 100.
See, okay, I'll explain you how to find out a between number. For example, if I tell you find out the between number between 8 and 10. So what you do, you add 8 and
8
10.
and
What
10.
it is 18 and divide it by 2. Whenever you find the between number, always divide by 2, you will get the between number. So 100 plus 150 is 250. When you divide it by 2, you will get 125 is the between number. Banu is saying 120, 130. No, it is 125. So answer is 125. Manjeet, right? Okay, you ask now. Other children join in. Everyone is asking the puzzles. Now they have started asking the puzzles. First puzzle is I gave 4 toffees. Please start solving along with me. I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends. So how much toffees are distributed till now?
4
4 toffees.
or all 4.
I,
Also,
I gave 4 toffees each to 4 of my friends and 3 toffees. See, and 4 toffees to each one. And there are 4 friends.
16.
16. This is
16.
the answer of first one. Now I'll do this puzzle. 16 toffees distributed. Now after distributing also I have 3 along with me. So how many total I have? After 16 I
19.
distributed. Yes. 19. Yes, 16 I
90.
yes, mute your mics now. 16 I distributed. After distributing 16 toffees, I have 3 also with me. So it means I have total 19. Go to the second puzzle. What numbers can you make? We have already learned how to make the numbers with the given number of digits in chapter 1. So here they have 3, 5, 7 and they are making different numbers. Can you make some numbers with 3, 5, 7?
753. 735.
753, ma'am.
Okay, very good.
537.
Very good, very good.
573.
573.
Thank you. Very good.
157.
Okay, now you see they are also very good children if you know how to make the numbers. They are also making the numbers and they have given some these numbers. You also make it in a different way. 357, 537, 735. Okay, got it? The next puzzle. A number becomes double if it is increased by 8. What is the number? A number is
16.
become. Yeah. So what is the number? They are asking.
16.
16.
16 is the answer. Double is the answer. What is the number? A number becomes, yes, 8 when becomes double will give you the 16.
Ma'am, 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. That's why.
So the number is 8. In 8 only you will add 8, then you will get the 16, no?
Yes.
Next puzzle is think of a number which can be divided by 2, 3 and 5 and comes between 25 and 50. If such kind of questions, puzzles comes to you that you have been given some numbers. If I say any number which is divided by 4, 5, and 6. And same way, if any number, think of any number which is divided by 2, divided by 3 also, and divided by 5 also. So you know what, how to you do? I'll give you one trick. You multiply these three numbers. 2 into 5 is 6, and 6 into 5 is 30. And 30 will be the answer which comes in between 25 and 50. Got it?
Okay, ma'am.
What?
The number is 30. And this is a short trick. When you multiply these three numbers together, you will get the answer. Now come a small ant climbs 3 centimeter in 1 minute and but slips down 2 centimeter again. How much time it will take to climb to 2 centimeter? Can you guess and tell me the answer?
Ma'am, what is the question?
It is given in your textbook. Read from your textbook.
Because 3 centimeters and 2 minutes. 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Only 2 minutes,
2
no
minutes.
seconds. Yes.
2 minutes.
In 1 minute, it climbs 1 centimeter. So it will take 2 minutes to climb the 2 centimeter. Now, take out the boat activity page number. Today, I'm going to send you the worksheet on this boat activity. So please try to understand it properly and try to solve with this properly. So that when I send you the worksheet based on this, you can solve it by your own. Now, when you also go for trips, you go for some rides, some boat rides, some marigold rides, jobi, whatever is available there, you go, right? But they are not, sometimes they are free in some gardens, but sometimes they are not free. You have to pay some price. Am I audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So sometimes for some rides you need to pay. But if you pay, how to find out? Suppose one ride is only 15 rupees. And if you want to take 2 rides of a boat, how many price you need to pay?
30 rupees.
30 rupees.
30
So
rupees.
with the calculation, yes, with the calculation, yes, with the calculation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, you will easily find out. They are also lost in puzzle. They do not notice they have reached the lake. It is very big lake with a small island in it. The lake looks like very beautiful at the time. The lot of ducks making a loud noise. Some children give them popcorns. Now comes in the exciting part. It is time to go for boating. They have to choose which boat they need to go. There are different prices list is given, and you can see the timing is given. If they go for double decker, price is rupees 30 for one trip, and the time taken for one trip is 45 minutes. So if they take 2 trips, what is the time taken by the 2 trips of double decker?
Ma'am, the time taken is 1 hour.
Ma'am, 60.
I'm
1
not
hour.
asking, wait, you. I'm not asking, my dear, price. I'm asking the time taken by the double decker for 2 trips. Time.
1 hour 20 minutes.
It's 90, yes, 1 hour.
20 minutes.
No. 90 minutes are there. No, 45 plus 45 is 90 minutes. And in 90 minutes, you divide it into the hours in the minutes. So 60 minutes will make the 1 hour. And
1 hour
remaining,
30 minutes.
yes, 1 hour.
1.5 hours.
30 minutes.
Got it? If I say if they go for motorboat for 3 trips, how much time they will take for 3 trips in the motorboat?
60.
60 minutes. 1 hour. 1 hour.
1 hour,
hour.
or you can
1
write
hour.
60 minutes. Yes. And if I say if they go by motorboat for 2 trips, how much price they will pay?
40. 40.
No,
No.
motor. My dear children, listen the question properly.
Ma'am, 50.
50.
Yes, 50. 25 plus
50.
25. Same way, you need to solve your today's worksheet based on the same concept. Now, page number, these are the different kinds of boats available, which you can see the images, right? Oarboat, motorboat, speedboat. There are different boats. Wait a minute. Now they need to solve some questions given on the page number 33. Indira and Bhanu first went in the motorboat and then took the oar boat. How much time did they pay for both the boats? Now they are asking how much did they pay, not time. Did they pay for both the boats? Pay means price. Find out, my dear.
Ma'am, 40.
40.
40.
40.
40 rupees.
Because
40 rupees.
they went for motorboat is price how much? 25.
25.
And oar boat price is 15. So
15.
together 45, 40.
15 rupees.
40.
Do the next sum. How much time did they get for both the rides? अब time निकालना है both the rides का. Paddle,
1 hour 2 minutes.
100.
1 hour 2
No,
minutes.
sorry.
1 hour
45.
1 hour 2 minutes. 1 hour 2
hour-
minutes.
2 minutes.
1 hour,
No,
2 minutes.
I don't think 1 hour 2
1
minutes.
hour 5 minutes. 1 hour 5 minutes.
1 hour 2
1
minutes
hour
only.
5
5
minutes.
minutes.
1 hour 5 minutes.
And 1 hour 5 minutes is total 65 minutes also, right? One,
Yes, ma'am, it's 1 hour 5 minutes. 65.
Solve the next. Solve the next. One group of children went for the double-decker trip. Now, double-decker trip is they are going for double-decker trip. They paid rupees 415 total. एक साथ pay कर दिए. Can you guess how many children went for the double-decker trip? How you will find out? You need to find out 450 by. You need to divide it by 30 because the price of each ticket is 30, right? So when you divide
Yes,
it by
ma'am.
30, you will get how many students went? 30 students.
30 students
I-
went. 15, sorry.
No, 50, yeah. 450 divided by 30,
15
students.
students went in one group.
Yes.
15.
Next is which boat make 2 trips in 1 hour? See the list which is given on your textbook.
Ma'am, paddle boat.
Paddle boat. Very good. Paddle boat is the answer you can see. Which boat take less than half an hour to complete a trip? Less than half an hour.
Motorboat.
There are 2 boats which take less than half an hour. No, one boat only. Yes, yes.
Motorboat
Motorboat.
only.
Yes, motorboat. Thank you. Which boat gives them the most time taking the least money? Money कम लिया है, least means कम. Money कम लिया है लेकिन time ज्यादा ले रहा है. Boat with oars. So you can write the answers. Why again and again I'm showing the list? Because you need to
Ma'am?
do it with the list. Yes.
Can you stop it and write it?
Yeah, please write. Javed went twice for boating. He paid a total 40 and boated for 50 minutes. Which 2 boats did he take? Answer is already there.
Paddle boat and
motorboat.
Paddle boat and motorboat.
Yes. Now, please write the answers in your textbook. And based on that, I'm sending you the worksheet. Now, please come down. Time to return. Children enjoy different boat rides. Till 4 o'clock, it is time to return. Now they will not stop anywhere and reach back in 2 hours. So they should reach Hoshangabad by how much time? 4 o'clock they are starting. They are not going to stop. 2 hours they will take. So what time they will?
6 o'clock.
Yes. 6 o'clock. Now come to the practice time. There are 4 very old cave paintings, Mark. If you see the numberings, 42,000 years old, 4,200 years old, 8,500 years old, 1,000 year old, 1,300 year old. So
1,000 year old.
1,000 years old.
No. The number which is bigger is the more older, right?
8,500 years old.
8,500. The number which is bigger means the that much years old, right? So 8,500 will be the answer. Now, one bus can carry, before doing this sum, before doing this solution, I'm telling you that there is not, option is not given. One option is not given in your NCRT. But you need to find out the answer of this. One bus carry 48 children. How many children can 3 buses carry? In this case, which operation you will apply? Addition,
Addition.
multiplication,
Addition or multiplication.
both. You can either do with the addition also by adding 48 plus 48 plus 48 3 times, or by multiplication also. 48 multiplied by 3, when you do, you will get the answer, but that answer is not in your options, so you can write your answer. What is your answer coming? Please write. This is
144.
144.
Yes.
Ma'am,
By
can you
mistake, it is not given. Now, which pair of numbers add to mark more than 500? We have done, I think if you remember, we have done in addition one activity, 1000, you need to make 1000, right? I have given you
Yes,
one
ma'am.
activity that a child is having only 1000, so which all the things he will buy? And you
Yes,
added,
ma'am.
you have added and find out the 1000.
Yes, ma'am.
Same way, here more than 500 will come in which number? When you
Ma'am,
add these two numbers.
401 and 91.
ma'am?
Yes.
401 and 91.
One child is saying, ma'am, why? Okay, I'll move now. 401 and 91. So
One.
401 to 91 is 492 only coming.
192 and 321.
Yes, got it. Now, when you go to the next, what happened at what time? You just match with them the answers. Cross the Namad bridge. At what time they cross? 9:10. So please match it. I'm showing you the matching. Look at the Bimbetka painting, the 11:30. At petrol pump, they reached 9:30. Had a lunch at 12:30. Okay. Return to Hoshangabad at 6 p.m. So match them. Done?
One minute, ma'am.
Do it faster. So on the basis of the board activity which we have done today by solving this, multiplying, addition, plus all the operations we have used in this. So same way, I am also going to send you the worksheet based on the board activity. There also will be a list of, there also you will find a list of the activities, list of the prizes, list of the time taken. You collect, you need to see that list and then solve the sums or the word problems or the questions based on that. Am I clear to you
Okay,
all?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Bhakti, you want to say something?
Ma'am, I didn't do this question.
Which question you have not done?
Ma'am, this one.
You say the question number, say the page number.
Ma'am, page number 34. The third question.
Page number 30.
34.
Page number 34. Last one. The matching one.
No, ma'am, the third one.
The third one. So you need to do it by yourself, Bhakti. Use which answer is the option that when you add, which two numbers you will add and you will get more than 500. Try this. Okay? Yes or no, Bhakti? Deep, please mute yourself. Deep, we are not in music class. Sorry. Please mute. Yeah, Deep, we are not in music class. Always please pay attention in the class. Let me take the attendance. No one will leave. Thank you, children. Thank you for today's class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.